Hello, my friends. I have paint left over to do yet another squiggle pour. But this time I am not going to tilt. I'm going to sit on my hands if necessary to keep myself from tilting. But I'm excited about it because I'm going to use orange as my background. I think the dramatic colors are the most effective. I love the red the very best, and the black was pretty good. The green, no. Blue, it was okay, but orange I think could be quite exciting. Some say that orange is the color of insanity, and I believe it because I'm crazy about it. I know that's not politically correct to say, but so be it. So I'm going to pause here, get my orange base coat down, and then we'll be back to lay down some lines. Okay. My orange base coat is down and I've taken my gloves off, so I'll be less likely to be tempted to tilt in any way. So let's start off with some dark blue. Should really look wonderful against this orange. Now I'm thinking this time I'm going to do kind of a circular motion and just go out from there, a little off center. And again, I'm planning to not tilt, just to leave my lines down. So what I put down is what I hope to end up with. So I've got to be a little careful about it. Especially the beginning, I want a nice round shape. Come on. Okay. Now I'll move on to some turquoise blue. I've got so much paint left over. I think what I'll do is probably thin it down with water and do a Dutch pour next because I'm really getting tired of this. Although maybe I'll love this and I'll want to try this on some different color backgrounds. But look how that blue pops on the orange. That they're complementary colors. So you're really striking place next to each other. Okay, and maybe some copper. No, yeah, I'm going to go with the silver. The silver is my least favorite of the colors here, and I don't know that I even want it. I'll put a little bit on, see what it looks like. I'm afraid it's going to, mixing with the orange, it's going to kind of look peachy color, and I'm not crazy about that. But I do want to have a little of everything on here, and I want to use this paint up, so I'll go sparingly with it. But maybe since I'm not tilting, it won't mix so much, and it might work out. Okay, that's it for that, though. Let's move on to copper. I think that circle area can be a little smaller. Kind of like that. It looks like a bird's nest. Maybe I'll speed this up because this is all I'm doing. I think I will. I'll speed this up and see you at the end. I think I like it. I like how it's not perfectly circular. Still, it's very free flowing, and it's more concentrated around here and then a little less as it heads out, and a little negative space there. So let me bring you in for a closer look. Are you proud of me for not tilting? It's just a kind of a energetic painting. I love those blues on there. All three shades of blue really work, I think, to make this exciting. It's much more orange in the background. Looking through the camera here, it's looking more pumpkin orange, but it's really a bright orange, almost a red orange, and I think it works. So there we have it. Possibly the last of my squiggle pours. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.